Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today I'm going to talk about my first classic rock riff, which I learned. And you're going to learn it now too. It's really cool. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. Also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account or a premium member account to download the backing track which is provided. So, this is what I'm talking about today. Yeah, and so on. So I'm going to show you the riff and quickly show you what you can improvise over that one. But not too much into details, but the riff is really cool. And as I already said, it was my very first rock riff which I could play. I went down to the cellar which I used to play guitar in boarding school. And there was this one guy playing this riff, said, "Oh, wow, what's that? Can you show me that to me?" And I could hardly play a power chord at that time. And so that's my first classic rock riff, and probably yours too, so let's get started. Alright guys, so the center of the riff is A minor chord. If you don't know it by now, you should know it now. Here, second fret, index finger, first fret, the B string, D string, second fret, and G string, second fret. And you start with, you just remove these two things you make. You attack the 4 strings or 3 strings, whatever you like. You can do it 3 or 4 strings. You can make, and then you make. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you make a hammer on here. You just hammer in the chord, and then you make 2 palm muted bass notes on the open A string. See? That's really cool, but you just hammer in and then you go directly into damping position. The picking hand is a little bit the problem here. Then you go down and then you're ready for the palm muted. That's a really cool part of it, but it's a little bit challenging. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after 3 times, then you go to C5, 3rd fret, 5, 5, and G5 here, 5, 7, 7. So what you can do, I mean, if you play, you're gonna continue playing the riff, so I can make variations on these 2 chords. You can make the simple ones, or you can just make the little power chord, it's 5, 7, then you can add some vibrato. So that's cool. Or if you don't want to do that, you just make the normal power chord. Or if you want to do a modern version of it, like with a dropped tuning vibe, then you beside the normal power chord, you add the E string below, and you make a bar with the index finger as well. Then that's also cool. Depends what you want. If you want to do the classic version, you make this with vibrato. If you want to do the other classic version, you make just the normal power chord. If you want to do a modern version, you make this, okay? So this is played. I'm gonna show you. Second time you go to F5. First fret, bar here in the third, and G5. Okay, and then we go back to A minor. Then same thing comes again with C. Okay, and now comes the final phrase, F5. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, and 4, and then A5 on 4 end. So the rhythm is a little bit tricky. The final thing is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the whole thing starts from the beginning. So let's play the whole thing. It's really cool, but it has this challenge with this hammer-on at the beginning. Two, three, four. One thing, when you change from C to, when you change from here to F, you make 1, like a 3, 4, chaka, and then you make dead notes 3, 4, and then in dead notes on 4 and 3, 4, chaka, and then this gives you the time to change the chord. 3, 4, chaka. Okay. So if you want to do soloing on that one, just quickly give you some ideas. Quickly put up a lead sound. It's of course A minor. You take the root position here of A minor, but I would really recommend A minor scale. Let me see what kind of stuff you can play. I would keep it simple. What is really cool is when you make the A minor scale as palm muted up here in the 12th fret. That's really cool. It's also possible for beginners. Something like this would be nice. It's cool. You can work around the A minor scale. Or for advanced players, Yeah, A minor scale. You can do any kind of, either in 8 notes or what I did, sextols. As legato with 3 notes per string is also cool. Yeah, I'm gonna write that in the tabs as well, that you just have one idea what you can do. But first, learn this riff. Alright guys, that was my first classic rock riff which I learned, and I really love it. I still love to play it today. For those who don't know, I started playing guitar with the age of 20. And that, in fact, I could play this like after 4 months. I really practiced a lot back there. So it's for beginners, but it's also cool for advanced players. One more to say, if you want to download the tabs, also with the licks which I showed you just quickly, plus this backing track for practice, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Join there with a premium membership account to download the stuff, or also a free member account just to follow the newsfeed and have the lessons which I provide more organized. There's also search system there where you find the lessons which are for you more in detail, also about the levels and stuff. Yeah, you check it out. Good, me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye, and please subscribe to my channel because more rock stuff is coming soon. Bye guys.